In this episode, I'm making sizzler with an Asian twist called the Veg Sizzler in Soya Chilli Sauce. First, I'm going to start with making the rice. 1 tablespoon of oil in a hot pan, the chopped capsicum, garlic, and the finely chopped carrots. Just stir fry them quickly. I want a slight bite to it, so I don't want overcooked vegetables. Just for 1 or 2 minutes. Finely chopped green chillies. Boiled rice. If you don't want to use boiled rice, you can always use noodles as well. Everything remains the same, just replace the rice with the noodles. Just a little bit of salt for seasoning. Pepper, not too much. And some spring onions with leaves. This is a very mildly flavored rice. I don't want to overpower it with adding any of the sauces because we already have another sauce which I'm going to make. So just a simple stir-fried rice, very easy and quick to make. The rice is ready and now I'm going to stir-fry my vegetables. Heat some oil. I'm going to add the onions and the colored bell peppers. Also add in the mushrooms. These are raw mushrooms, I haven't blanched them because they cook quickly. I'll add the broccoli, French beans, baby corn, carrots, steamed potatoes, and the paneer. You can always use French fries instead of steamed potatoes or even tofu instead of paneer if you wish. Let's season it with some salt and red chilli sauce. Toss them up quickly and the stir-fried vegetables are ready. Let's make the sauce now. Heat oil, garlic and ginger. Also going to add in the green chilies, soy sauce, ketchup, chili sauce, half a cup of water. I'm going to mix 1 cup water with corn flour to thicken the sauce. Mix it and add it into the sauce. Let this simmer till the sauce becomes thick. I'm also going to season it with salt, but just a little bit. I'm going to add some spring onions. And the sauce is ready. Heat the sizzling plate for at least 4 to 5 minutes. It has to be extremely hot and be very careful while handling it. Let's start assembling the sizzler. I have some blanched cabbage leaves. Reduce the flame while you're assembling it so that you don't feel it's very hot. Place some rice over it. Also place your vegetables. And I have some fried noodles. A good amount of sauce. Make sure the sauce is nice and hot before pouring it onto the sizzler and reduce the flame before you pour it because there are chances it might just catch some flame. And some spring onions to garnish. Let's plate. And the sizzler is ready to serve. You can also add some French fries or momos or even wontons goes very well with this sizzler. I'm sure you'll enjoy this recipe. Do try it at home and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.